Hello, my fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of investing. Let's imagine a world where your money isn't just sitting idle in your bank account. Instead, it's out there working tirelessly to multiply itself. That's the power of investing. It's an effective tool to not only grow your wealth, but also to protect it from the sneaky thief called inflation. Investing is like your financial superhero cape, shielding your hard-earned wealth from being eroded away. But the power of investing extends beyond just wealth accumulation and beating inflation. It's also about achieving your financial goals. Picture this. You're dreaming of a beachfront villa or envisioning your child graduating from an Ivy League college. How do you turn these dreams into reality? You guessed it right. Investing is your golden ticket. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, every investment avenue comes with its own set of benefits. They're like different routes leading to the same destination, financial freedom. The key here is to understand each of these routes and choose the one that aligns with your financial goals and risk appetite. Regular contributions to your chosen investment accounts, whether it's a systematic investment plan in a mutual fund or a recurring deposit in a bank, bring you closer to your financial goals. It's like taking one step at a time on the path to your dream destination. Remember, investing is not about getting rich overnight. It's a journey. A process that requires patience, discipline, and a good understanding of the financial markets. So, arm yourself with knowledge, consult experts when needed, and make informed decisions. Investing is your golden ticket. Regular contributions to investment accounts get you closer to your goals. But how do we choose where to invest? Stay tuned as we explore the fascinating world of equity markets, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and real estate in our upcoming segments. Until then, keep investing and keep growing. NSE, BSE, these aren't just alphabets, they're your gateway to owning a piece of India's biggest companies. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of equity markets. What exactly are equity markets? In essence, they're public platforms where buyers and sellers trade in company shares. These shares represent a fractional ownership in the company. When you buy a share, you essentially become a part owner of that company, no matter how small your share might be. Now, how do these markets function? Think of it as an enormous marketplace bustling with activity. Buyers look for attractive stocks to purchase, while sellers aim to offload shares they believe have peaked in value or are likely to decline. Prices fluctuate based on supply and demand dynamics, and this is where the opportunity to make a profit lies. But here's the thing. Navigating the equity markets isn't as simple as buying low and selling high. It's an art form, a skill that needs to be honed over time. It involves understanding a company's financial health, its business model, industry trends, and broader economic indicators. It's about learning to read between the lines of balance sheets and income statements, understanding market sentiments, and making informed decisions. There's a term for this. It's called stock picking. And it's not just about choosing the right stocks. It's also about timing your entry and exit points. It's akin to surfing. You want to catch the wave at the right time and ride it for as long as you can. The beauty of equity markets is the potential for high returns. Sure, there's risk involved, but with the right knowledge and strategy, the rewards can be substantial. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere. So, owning a piece of India's biggest companies sounds exciting, right? But what if we want to diversify our investments? Well, that's where the next chapter of our investment journey begins. Stay tuned. Mutual funds, your diversified best friends forever. SIPs, that's like your monthly chai subscription. Let's break down this financial jargon and make it as simple as ordering your favorite cup of chai. Mutual funds are essentially a pool of money collected from various investors, just like you. This pool is then invested into a diversified array of assets like stocks, bonds, and other securities by financial experts known as fund managers. These guys are the baristas of the financial world, brewing the perfect blend of investments for your financial growth. Now, you might be thinking, why should I put my money in a mutual fund? Well, mutual funds offer a smorgasbord of benefits. First off, they provide diversification. Remember the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? That's diversification in a nutshell. Instead of investing all your money in one company's stock and risking a financial heartbreak if that company doesn't perform well, mutual funds spread your risk across multiple companies. Secondly, mutual funds are managed by professionals, so you don't have to spend countless hours researching and analyzing market trends. The fund managers do all the heavy lifting for you. It's like having your own personal finance guru. Now let's talk about SIPs, or systematic investment plans. Imagine SIPs as your monthly chai subscription. Just as you pay a fixed amount every month for your chai, with SIPs, you invest a fixed sum in a mutual fund scheme every month. This disciplined approach not only makes investing a regular habit, but also helps you take advantage of the market fluctuations. Remember, when the market prices are high, your SIP buys fewer units of the mutual fund, and when the prices are low, it buys more units. This strategy is known as rupee cost averaging and can help you build a robust investment portfolio over time. So, we've covered stocks and mutual funds. Are there any other investment options that we should consider? Old school fixed deposits and the thrill of real estate. Let's explore. When it comes to investments, fixed deposits are like the reliable elders of the family. They may not be the most exciting, but they offer stability and predictability. You know exactly what to expect and when. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow steadily, knowing that at the end of the term you will have a fully grown tree. Fixed deposits are a great way to store your hard-earned money safely while earning interest at a fixed rate. This can be especially beneficial for those who prefer a low-risk investment strategy. The best part? You can choose the term that suits your financial goals, which can range from a few months to several years. Now let's move from the steady to the thrilling. Real estate. Investing in property is like riding a roller coaster. It's thrilling, with its ups and downs, but the potential rewards can be huge. The key, just like with roller coasters, is timing. You don't want to get on just as it's about to go down, right? Real estate investment isn't just about buying a house or a plot of land. It's about understanding the market trends, identifying the right location, and of course, knowing when to buy and when to sell. It's about being patient and waiting for the right moment to make your move. But remember, real estate investments require a significant amount of capital and are not as liquid as other types of investments. This means once you invest in a property, it might take time to sell it and get your money back. So ensure you have a well-thought-out plan before you take the plunge. With so many investment options, it's clear that investing isn't rocket science. It's about securing your future. Whether you prefer the steady growth of fixed deposits or the thrilling ride of real estate, the choice is yours. Just remember, the key to successful investing is understanding your financial goals, doing your research, and making informed decisions. So, are you ready to start your investment journey? Let's go. Remember, my friends, investing isn't rocket science. It's about securing your future. It's about empowering yourself to take charge of your financial destiny. It's about creating wealth, not just for yourself, but for generations to come. It's about being able to live the life you've always dreamed of, whether that's owning a beachfront villa, sending your child to an Ivy League school, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Investing is a journey, and like any journey, it begins with a single step. That step can be as simple as opening a savings account or as complex as buying a piece of real estate. The important thing is that you take that step. Start small, but start. Your future self will thank you for it. But remember, investing is not a solo endeavor. It's a team sport. You don't have to go it alone. There are experts out there who can guide you, who can help you navigate the complexities of the financial world. Don't be afraid to seek their advice. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. In the world of investing, there's no such thing as a stupid question. So educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, join online communities, engage in conversations with other investors, learn from their successes and their failures. Remember, every investor was once a beginner. Every billionaire started with their first rupee. And finally, stay the course. Investing is a long-term game. There will be ups and downs, there will be wins and losses. But over time, if you stay patient and disciplined, your investments will grow. Your wealth will accumulate. You will achieve your financial goals. So my friends, take the plunge. Start your investing journey today. And remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth slowly, steadily, and securely. It's about creating a future that's not just financially secure, but also filled with possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your investor buddies. Until next time, happy investing.